How to write crisis notes, aka personal directives. In Crisis, you get a character assignment and a list of portfolio powers. You use these portfolio powers to help further your personal goals in your Crisis arc. Your total powers are not limited to what is specified in your portfolio powers, and usually these are used to increase the amount of resources you hold. Consider them as building blocks or stepping stones to build off of. To use these powers, write a note in your notepad specifying what you would want to happen and how you plan to accomplish it. Then, when Crisis staff comes around to collect the notes, hand it to them so they can take it to the back room to write a response and then later return it. Depending on what was attempted and how detailed the note was, your action can either succeed, fail, or pass with conditions or consequences. The more detailed the note, the more likely it is to succeed. For example, if you attempt to move soldiers from one place to another, specify how many and how they are going to get there safely, including any special precautions and resources given to them, like scouting parties and how you plan to feed and keep them once they arrive. These personal notes are not seen by any other delegates and remain secret unless you either share them or someone else's personal actions interfere, such as with a spy. Depending on what you accomplish, your personal notes can affect the information given in the Crisis update. For example, if the President of the United States' daughter was kidnapped and held for ransom, this would be a new issue for everyone in committee to address if it were a committee consisting of the U.S. Executive Cabinet. This is an example of a personal directive. It gives specific information. A good personal directive will be specific and help to achieve your arc.